Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how I made this set of nails. They look like rattan furniture or like woven wood. And I'm going to show you how I did it. Let's get started. I'm going to be using these white paper cords. These ones are designed for Mizuhiki, I hope I'm pronouncing that right. And they're used to do beautiful woven artwork. But today I'm going to use them to make rattan nails. These paper cords come in all sorts of different colors, so you don't have to do a wooden finish. This is a bright pink nail that I made. I'm going to secure these 9 strands on the end with Scotch tape. I'm trying to keep these as flat as I can, and then I divide them into sets of 3 and braid them. I'm positioning the cords as I go to keep the braid really tight and flat. At the other end, I'm going to secure it with Scotch tape again. This braid is perfect. It's really flat and tight. I'm going to secure it back down again. To paint the braid, I'm going to use a 50-50 mix of these paint washes. These are in Flesh Wash and Light Tone. I'm just using an old art brush for this. I'm going to paint a second coat. I only need to paint one side, so there's no need to turn it over. You can use any color that you like for the base. I usually use a darker brown that's very similar to the color I used for the braid, but today I'm going to use a lighter color. I think it'll make it easier for you to see what I'm doing. This one is the Presto Color Gel in S332. Now I'm going to use this brush from Ageha, it's the number 6. And the No Wipe Resin Gel in Rich from Presto. This is just a really thick charm gel. I'm going to start at the tip of the nail and apply a little bit of the charm gel to one side. And then I'm going to apply a little bit of charm gel to the underside of the braid as well. And then hold it against the nail. Move my brush out of the way and use a handheld light to freeze it in place. Now I'm just going to repeat those steps, moving across the top of the nail. And now I'm just going to attach it to the other end. Just going to put a tiny bit more at the edge here to secure it. Now I'm going to take this tape off the end. and trim it just below the edge of the nail. And do the same to the other side. I'm going to re-secure this edge of the braid with another piece of tape. This obviously doesn't look very pretty yet. I'm going to clean all of this up at the end. But this is the idea. I'm going to apply rows of this braid until it looks like rattan. I'm just going to clean up a little bit of the extra gel where it's overlapping. I don't want that to show at the end. The last row gets a little tricky. I have to really make sure that I'm positioning it properly so that there's enough tip to attach it to, and it still hangs a little bit below the cuticle line, which is the way I think it looks the best. Now I'm going to file down the sides to be flush with the nail tip. Once I'm almost done filing, I like to secure all the edges. Any loose little cords I like to secure down with a little bit more gel. And then I finish filing. I keep sanding until the line is smooth and straight. Now I'm going to do 1 or 2 more coats of the wash. Making sure that I get all of the areas that have lost color. Get the edges as well. So there you go, that's how I made these rattan nails. I don't think these are very wearable, but if I was going to wear them, I would clean up the gel a little bit, and I would add a top coat and some matte coat as well, just to make it look even more like wood. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. I would love it if you could like or share or subscribe, and I'll see you soon. Bye.